The Misadventures of Davey Mastermind, A Story of Perseverance by Howie Horowitz. Meet little Davey Mastermind, obsessed with dinosaurs. Would ask his mom for dino toys while shopping at the stores. His mother said he had to wait, and patiently he did. A dino-loving 10-year-old and very patient kid. He likes sports and he likes reading. He likes riding on his bike. In fact, he likes a lot of things that lots of children like. But he likes nothing more than dinosaurs. He even has a pup, who he hopes will be a dinosaur one day when it grows up. It was a very simple life for this uncomplicated boy, until one day his mom gave him a complicated toy. At first he stood and gave his mom a thunderous applause. He didn't know the agony this little toy would cause. So he unfolded the instructions but got lost behind the sheet. He was nothing more than paper and two tiny little feet. He thought it was impossible. He didn't have a prayer. So he tore up the instructions and he tore out chunks of hair. He struggled with the pieces. He broke some along the way. He was quick to get discouraged and he put the toy away. He said, "I tried and failed, so now I know that I should call it quits before I get so angry that I smash my toy to bits." Then he thought of all those times he tried but called it quits, like the time he tried gymnastics but he couldn't do the splits. He almost danced, he almost golfed, he almost tied his shoe. He almost did a lot of things but never followed through. Then he thought of his potential and he thought of what could be, the trophies and the hole-in-one and not scraping his knee. Then he thought back to the puzzle and he took it off the shelf to prove something to his mommy, but mainly to himself. He wasn't giving up this time. He wasn't giving in. He laid the pieces on the ground and started to begin. And then minutes turned to hours and the sun had long since set. Blisters filled his tiny hands, his face with beads of sweat. He connected all the pieces and everything was done. And now his new creation would bring countless days of fun. The lesson here is don't give up, no matter how it seems. With a little perseverance, you can always reach your dreams. But don't get too excited because you never can tell when. You'll drop your hard work on the floor and have to start again.